For all those HRs and payroll teams, this one's for you. Our next focus on creating monthly payslips with Zoho Writer.
Yeah. So yes, the next scenario is going to be creating a payslip. So yes, you might be wondering how to create a payslip or maybe facing difficulties in creating a payslips. So we have a better option for you. So here you can use formulas, conditional formatting, and dynamic tables to build accurate and professional payslips. So Zoho Writer has got everything for you to create and send out payslips to your employees. So HR teams and the payroll teams just pay attention. So let me show you how you can create a payslip in Writer from scratch. So here you can see that this is a well-crafted payslip that we have created in Writer, and here we have added various formulas, various conditional rows, and various conditions inside the cells as well. So let me show you one by one on how you can create this. So here you can see that this is a table and we have added various tables across the document. So there are multiple tables added into the document, and furthermore we have a data source as well. And when we talk about data source, you can also use any other applications that you use to pull the data from Zoho people, etc. So in this case, we are going to use Zoho Sheet. So if you want to have Zoho people, then we also have an option over there. So you can use Zoho people and integrate it with the writer so that you'll be able to generate pay slips within Zoho people UI itself. So here you can see that only the basic information is available in the data source. We have the monthly CTC, opted mediclaim, telephone reimbursement, fuel reimbursement, and bank account, etc. So this is a very simple and basic information that we have. So using this information and using the power of formulas, we are going to get and provide detailed payslip in the writer itself. So here you can see that we are used formulas where the monthly CTC is multiplied in order to get the basic salary. And not only that, this is the basic salary for the month, and if you want you can also get it for the year. And similarly here you can see that we have used table cell references. So if you want to know how to insert formula, you have to go to the left panel, and under automate option you can click on formula, and here you'll be able to insert a formula in the required destination. So here you can see that we have used the stable cell value. So here we can add merge fields. If you want, you can add date fields. So we also have the option to get the date difference. So here using data diff, you'll be able to perform calculation in dates as well. And these are the various functions available, and you can also check this help article for more information regarding the functions that is available in Writer. And also further moving on, we have the auto fields, which is the dynamically pulling up a date, or you can pick a particular date. And if you have inserted fillable fields in the document, then you can also use those values when entered by the external client to make into consideration for the calculation. And here we have the table cell reference as well. So if you are inserting a formula within a table, then you would not be required to refer the table's name, or else you can refer the table name and the cell to pick a value from a different table into here. So now once this is done, you can see that we have added a if-else calculation. So if mode contains work from home, then show this value, or else go to the other value. So these are the various formulas, and once this is done, what we are going to do is we are going to get the total amount. So here you can see that the total amount is available in here, and if you would like, you can also convert this into the required format. So here we have various formats available. So if you'd like to convert this into a text format, so usually when we generate a payslip, we tend to show the values in the text as well. So you can make use of this option to format the generated value to text. So let me show you a preview of the output, that you'll get a clear idea of that. So here you can see that we have added the employee name, the employee overall value, the total monthly CTC, etc. And here we have also added the number in text. So we have converted the currency value into text format. So this is how you can create a payslip in Zoho Writer using the available options like formatting, formulas, conditional displaying or hiding rows. So here you can see that we have also added a condition to hide a particular row whenever it is not necessary. So that's how you can create a document for generating payslips.
Great.